Here's my speaking outline. I don't know if you can see. It's on my phone. Okay, we'll submit it on Canvas later. But okay, go. All right, so hello everyone. My name is Kyle Casson, and today I will be presenting to y'all a fairly new concept that's come into the construction world, is the implementation of AI with construction equipment. And so what is, construction equipment? This is stuff like excavators, pavers, loaders, just the kind of stuff you see on the highway, like, these bobcats that are small and they're operated by a person. And there have been talks and research that's going on lately about replacing the human need to drive these things with AI and making them completely autonomous. So I believe that there will be three advantages to doing this. One, AI will make projects more efficient. Two, it'll make them more accurate. And three, it'll make projects safer for everyone. And so before I talk about these sort of advantages, I wanted to kind of give you all an idea of what is the current industry standard, how a building gets built. And so what will happen is a developer that wants a building to be built will come to a contractor and engineer, and they'll give them specifications about what they want to be built. And so my job as a civil engineer is to come up with these plan sets, which I like to think of as Lego building instruction manuals. So these plan sets, they tell you exactly what materials you need, where exactly to put the materials, and just it's a simplified step-by-step process of where to put materials in certain places. And so what I believe AI will help benefit contractors is firstly the efficiency and seeing shorter project lifetimes. So currently 90% of construction projects have delay, and this is according to a study done by the Construction Research Congress in 2022. And so when you implement these AI solutions, they use software such as the convolutional neural network and random forest, this is kind of a simplified version of random forest identified above. And basically these the robots will find ways to make projects more done faster and scheduling wise to optimize so that projects can be done in the least amount of time possible. And not to mention, you also can take into account that there is no fatigue, there's no vacation days with autonomous vehicles, so these things can be operating around the clock, 24/7, essentially. And so also AI will provide less room for error on the field. And so currently, what we see is AI has adaptable technology built within it. So whenever it sees an obstacle, it overcomes it. And this is described in a study by Hangzhou Yu in 2024. And so the construction plans that I was describing earlier, with autonomous vehicles, there's no need to relay information from a project manager to a worker and then to be done on the field. No, everything will be done through satellite. The plans will go directly to the autonomous vehicle, and it'll operate based on the plans that it receives digitally. So there's no room for miscommunication there, and that'll make construction projects more accurate. And finally, AI in construction will also prevent disaster and improve safety. So a big thing with project managers is risk mitigation, how to reduce risk in a project. And with AI, there are a lot of different technologies and software and programs, such as the CrewSight program, which is described in the Trimble article by Rao in 2022. And these sorts of softwares, they prioritize risk in a manner to reduce it. And so what you'll see is with more autonomous vehicles on the job site, there will be less deaths and less workplace injuries. Because if you think about it logically, also there's less humans on the job site, and yeah. So in summary, AI offers the construction industry advantages in efficiency, accuracy, and safety. And actually, a McKinsey report made in 2022, as described from the Middle East Construction News, stated that by 2030, intelligent robots will replace 30% of labor in construction. So this is actually a big topic that's coming up very quickly, and it'll offer numerous benefits. Thank you.